All right, we're going to be taking a look at LEXG. LEXG. It took me a few seconds there to say that out. 0027. All right. We were saying here before I jumped into this recording, a lot of people have heard about this one before, for sure. Zooming out here. Isn't this the one that went up to like $10 back in the day? Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, so as
No,
soon
because it
as
was just like everybody thought it was over, and guess what? It wasn't. It just kept on going, and then it definitely got a lot of publicity like throughout.
oh yeah,
I think it was like the stock of the year. I forget which year. What was that? Like 2011 maybe or 12?
yeah,
Go back on the 10-year on it.
yeah. I zoomed out. I really couldn't get too much. Yeah, it's gonna be back here,
Yeah, right.
2012.
Yeah, see, go back a little further. Right there.
Yeah,
See how it
2011.
like took off, and then it spiked like a bastard, but then it just kept on going.
Yep, I think that's where we're on here. Well, you guys get it. So LEXG. I mean, that was a big runner back in the day. Uh, I mean, that was one that left a mark. That was one that definitely left a mark. I still, every time I see that ticker come across, I still, it's not really funny. But I mean, a lot of people did lose a lot of money in there. But right now, 0027, you got room to run. Uh, it, I mean, it was, like I said, it was mentioned over here in the chat. Definitely got room to run. Uh, Maybe not to $10, but 0027. I'm just gonna put on here still room to run. I mean, you just said. I mean, I would have liked to see this over here. 1229. This is when we trying to pick them up, try to find these stocks, and then you had this breakthrough the 30-day, and then sitting on the 10-day, and just offer that just a nice healthy leg up 30% today. So, like I said, I'm gonna put on here room to run still. Room to run. That's gonna be where are we? 000026. And I'm gonna just put on here room to run. Room to run. Okay. Joe, you got anything to add for LEXG?
Yeah, there's news today on it. Lithium Exploration Group (LEXG) develops cornerstone solution for small cap lithium market boom anticipated by Credit Suisse. So today announced plans to deploy a proprietary technology solutions expected to substantially improve the internal rate of return and margins of lithium harvesting operations. The capital expenditures to harvest lithium brines are exponentially less than the capex required to mine lithium from hard rock. The time from exploration to delivery is usable lithium is substantially shorter when harvesting lithium from brine than when mining lithium from hard rock. The Earth's supply of lithium is vast but not conventionally contained within concise geographic confines. Credit Suisse has published research that suggests multiple small lithium brine harvesting operations may present a capex and return on investment scenario more attractive to investors than large-scale mining operations.
Hmm.
So let's see here. I'm gonna keep going down. Let's see. Tomorrow, January. It's basically stating tomorrow, January 5th, 2017. LEXG will release an online presentation available on demand, providing a detailed overview on the company's development of a proprietary technology solutions to dramatically improve lithium harvesting operational efficiencies by both reducing harvesting time frames and improving extracted lithium purity. So, and then it goes into more detail on things like that. So, I mean, it's something that you probably want to check out the presentation tomorrow, see what's
But
going on with them.
they have information coming out recently, though.
Yeah, tomorrow they're gonna have that.
Right.
That
So, I mean, that could be explaining why it's starting to move right now, right? I mean, it's
yeah.
all right.
Well, because
So,
they did this press release right here to let you know that they're gonna have that thing tomorrow for you to check it out. But I mean, realistically, I haven't paid attention to this stock in years and years and years since like what is it 2011 2012. But I mean, they basically came to market. They obviously, when a company goes to market, they obviously sell shares in order to create their company. So I'm guessing, I don't know what their filings are or what their financials are, but they should have some money to do whatever they're doing. I mean, this thing made some cash.
That's right. So LEXG, keep an eye on it. Let us know. It's up 27% right now, 0026. Let us know over on Investors Hangout. Joe gave you a little bit of rundown stuff to look forward to for tomorrow. LEXG.